Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Q1FY27 earnings conference call of Msafe Equipments Limited. Uh, Please note that this call is being recorded, and as a part of Safe Harbor, I would like to inform you that this call may contain certain forward-looking statements and should view in conjunction with the risk and the uncertainties of the company's matter. On behalf of Moonwalk Capital, I would like to thank management of MSAFE Equipments for giving us opportunity to host the con call. From the management side, we have Mr. Pradeep Agarwal, who is the chairman of the company, and Mr. Renuka Unyal, who is the company secretary of the company, and Mr. Sombir Bisla, who is the CFO of the company. I would like now to hand over uh, Pradeep Agarwal ji for his opening statement.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome everybody for this Q127 earning conference call. From IPO commitment on the ground level execution is how I see the first year of our performance. This is the first quarter for which after IPO, we are giving the results. Although we have given the year-ended result of 20. Unsafe. Hello.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
So this is the first quarter of our presentation of our results. And now going forward, I would like to say, what is how I look at this the first quarter performance. This is the things. Our first priority in this quarter was on my capacity expansion and capacity constraint which I'm facing. Our first priority was to address the capacity constraint in our MS scaffolding business. Instead of waiting for our new facility, we proactively added capacity through temporary rented premises. This is early expansion are now translating into the business. In Q1 27 alone, our MS rental business grew by 7x year-on-year growth, while aluminum rental business grew 24% year-on-year. Rental business grew now new contributors 46% of our revenue, up despite revenue from up despite of a volatile economic environment. All this, even in the volatile this environment, we are able to maintain the operating margin of 48%. Despite the inflationary environment and investment being made to support growth, we maintain EBITDA margin of 40%. The increasing contribution from rental business, better deployment, and operating leverage help us to absorb the pressure on costs. As we expand into new product categories, the business mix can evolve from quarter to quarter, which is evident from the sheet given to you. As we are foray into the formwork business, for which machinery is part of machinery has already in place, and as we expanded our new product categories, the business mix can evolve from quarter to quarter. Our focus therefore remain on profitable growth rather than optimizing the single quarter margin. Our new facility. Our new major milestone is our own integrated manufacturing facility, which is coming up in Kosi, Kotwan, near Mathura. Civil construction has already commenced, and we continue to target commencement of operation by May 27. This facility is being developed not merely just to increase our capacity, but as an integrated manufacturing platform capable of supporting our future requirement across scaffolding, rental equipments, and new product categories. As previously communicated, the new facility will have a capacity of 90 ton, sorry, 90 lakh kg per annum. That is again augmentation in our scaffolding business, which we have already augmented 30 lakh kg in the rented premises register. Our broader aim is to build scalable rental-led platform across safety, equipment, and innovative building material, focusing particularly on categories where organized penetration remain low or differentiated solution remain unreserved in India. And our entry into aluminum formwork is one step in this direction. We are progressing towards 500 ton capacity per ton per annum capacity, targeted to commence from December 26. As we have moved through financial year 27, our priority remains straightforward: scalable the rental business, execute our capacity expansion, commercialize formwork, and while maintain the discipline of profitability and capital allocation. Basically, now in the next quarter, I'm focusing more on towards the capacity utilization and capacity expansion. That is the key area in this for this IPO. Our main motto is to expand ourselves and becoming a great access solution company. Now I hand over to Mr. Sombir Visla, our CFO, for the financials result. Sombir, please.
Good afternoon. Please add Swami Vishnu. I am blessed to present the financial performance for the quarter ending 30th June 2026. Company has started financial year 26-27 on a positive note. During the quarter, our revenue from operations stood at 31.79 crores compared with the 22.72 crores in the corresponding quarter of the previous year, representing a strong year-on-year growth of approximately 40%. Our profit before tax stood 9.73 crores compared with the 6.65 crores in Q1 financial year 26 previous year, reflecting a growth approximate 46%. Company reported a net profit 7.27 crores compared with 5.04 crores in Q financial year 26, representing a growth approximate 44.31. Going forward, our key priorities will be a sustained revenue growth, improve operational efficiency, maintain disciplined cost management, and strengthen profitability. We also continue the focus on efficient financial management and ensuring the growth is supported by strong and sustainable financial position. Overall, the Q1 performance give us confidence in the company's growth trajectory with continued focus on execution, operational efficiency, and financial discipline management. Remain committed to the delivering sustainable and profitable growth and creating long-term value for our stakeholders. Thank you.
Thank you for the opening remarks. We will now open floor for the participants to ask the question. Anybody who wishes to ask question can raise their hand. Participants are requested to stay on mute. Okay. The first question is from the line of Nishita Sanklecha from Sapphire Capital. Nishita, please unmute and you can ask the question.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, congratulations on such a good set of numbers. So I had a few questions. My first question would be this new capacity where you're adding around 40 lakh kg of capacity, 10 lakh in aluminium and 30 lakh in mild steel scaffolding. So I just wanted to understand, in the previous IPO call, you'd mentioned that post the capacity expansion in the aluminium, we can do around 4 crore of sales per month and 4.5 crores of rental business per month. So is that the peak revenue from this capacity?
Yeah, current capacity we are utilizing, but onwards, therefore, in new facility we are increasing. We are our new facility is having the bigger space, and more machines are going to come, and our capacity will almost even in the aluminum scaffold business is also increasing.
No, so what will be the peak revenue? I wanted to understand from the new capacity. Once,
Peak is how can I define peak? Basically, it's not that just like a mountain. Or you can say that mountain, but we have to climb. We haven't reached the peak.
no,
Uh,
no.
Say
So
my I'm just answering your question. Say mine is currently I'm say whatever I'm looking at is that okay, I'm at say in an overall trajectory of aluminum scaffolding, we are hardly merely 10% of the India requirement. First of all, we want to go to the 20%, and the even our one pipe we have to increase, and our capacity is also we are increasing. Say, we are currently at 40% of the 40%, and adding new capacity, we will be able to say 80 to 90%, not 100%. We can't do that. Some of the percentage we have to give it to the local players. So peak is yet to attain the even after this additional facility.
no, so by peak, I meant that from the capacity, like from the total of 25 lakh kg capacity in aluminium and 90 lakh kg capacity in steel, from that total capacity at the maximum utilization, how much revenue can we generate?
But the existing capacity.
I'm sorry.
You are talking about existing capacity.
Yeah, we are doing so. Like in your presentation, it's mentioned that post expansion, the aluminum capacity is going to be 25 lakh kg and steel capacity is going to be 90 lakh kg, right?
25 lakh kg.
Yeah, this.
250 tons or 2,500 tons. Just give me a
Le-
moment. Approximately, we will do able to do a business of 15 crore
15 crore from both aluminum and MS
aluminum
scaffold.
from aluminum scaffolding only. From
Right.
yeah.
But in the IPO call, you'd mentioned that we'll be able to do around 4 crore per month sale from the aluminum facility post expansion. So has something changed?
No, obviously we are going for the robotic, more robotic or automatic machines, and we will be able to do a business of 15 crore per month, inclusive sale and rental both.
Okay, 15 crores per month. Okay, understood. Yeah. And in steel,
Steel, we would like to do a business of approximately 20 ton for 50 tons per month means 50 tons per month means into 6, 8. Just give me a moment, madam. The way
yes.
you are, I'm talking, take that, 60,000 into 50 ton. 50 ton, come the 1000. 50 into 60,000. 3 to 5, sir. Approximately, what do you want in rupees or something like that?
Yeah, in rupees would be good.
Approximately, madam, we want to do business of 30. Just give me a moment. क्या 25 अभी 25 टन बना रहे हैं ना 25 टन into 12 275 into प्लस में सेव 275 4.5 into 2 into 12 approximately 100 crores business from the steel business.
100 crore per month
No, madam, 100 crore not per month.
annually.
Annual, yeah.
Okay, okay. And that is going to be post expansion, right?
Yeah, post expansion.
Okay. And you mentioned in the presentation that by May 27, we'll be able to start the commercialization of the expanded facility.
Yes.
So how fast can we ramp up this facility to the numbers you just mentioned?
Madam, by May 27, it's going to be fully operational. Basically, till that time, a few part we have already covered by taking the rented premises, and for further step now further I have to take the premises because there is highway in Delhi. Just because of that, I'm not able to make my building very. It's hardly 6 months now, so that will take time.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sorry, your voice was cracking. It was not completely audible.
Madam, only 6 months are left.
Right.
6 to 7 months. It will take time, ma'am. Because it's a 30,000 square meter facility. It's a big
The-
facility. We can't
yes.
build it in a day.
Yes, I understand. My question was that once we start the operations, we won't be able to like utilize it fully, like at 70 to 80% utilization level, we won't be able to reach in the same month, right? So my question was, when can we reach those utilization levels?
Reaching the business also takes another 6 months. Factory
Okay.
will be operational. Factory can produce these things. My machines will come, but it will take some time to reach that kind of business, which I am
Okay.
trying. I might at that point of that point I will at that point
Okay.
of free the rented premises or not. So I might continue with the rented premises and start the new facility. So that all depends on that time.
Okay, understood. My next question is that so currently rent is contributing around 46% to our total revenue, and rent has more margins, as you earlier also mentioned. So, if you could just give the margin difference between the rent business and the sales business, that would be great. The EBITDA margin difference.
EBITDA in rental aluminum scaffolding business is 47%, and the sale EBITDA is 38%. And in scaffolding rental is again 47%, but EBITDA margin in sale is only 10%.
So, in sale, EBITDA margin of 10% is in the steel scaffolding, right?
Yeah, steel scaffolding.
And the first one you mentioned was for the aluminum.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, understood. My last question would be, what is the total capex spending for this year?
Capex spending, we did it in the scaffolding, approximately 7.88 crore. You can say that 8 crore spending we did it.
And 8 crore capex spend will be for the whole year FY27?
This is continuous activity. We have to financial year 27. This is going to be continued. This is 1 quarter expense. We will, for in
Okay, 8
but
crore is for Q1. So for the whole year, what will be the capex spending?
yeah, it's a daily activity for us.
Right. So, like, can I assume that for the whole year, every quarter will spend 8 crore of capex? Or is it going to be more?
Maybe more, maybe more,
I'm sorry?
maybe more.
Maybe more. Okay, understood. Yeah. Thank you so much and all the best.
Okay. Next question is from the line of Mr. Aditya Khaitan from First Assets Private Limited. Aditya, you can ask the question after unmuting. Aditya, you can unmute and answer the call. Ask your question, please. Okay. Anybody, participants, anybody else has questions?
If there's no one to ask the question, can I ask a few follow-up questions?
Yeah, sure.
So,
I think
sir,
one second. We have one question. Yeah, Pratmesh ji. Next question is from the line of Mr. Pratmesh Bhatt.
Hello everyone.
You can ask the question.
Congratulations Msafe team for Q1 result. Sir, I saw one interview, management recent interview on the YouTube where the management. So am I audible?
Yeah, you are fully audible.
Yes. Sir, in the recent interview of the management, where the management quoted expected FY27 target revenue as a 175 crore. My question is, the way we are going ahead, is it possible to achieve that target?
Sir, basically, first of all, I would like to say we are committed, we are still on the IPO commitment of 50% Sagar. 175, I'm not able to recapitulate where I or somebody else give this figure, but hope for the best. 150 definitely we will do, but 170 we will really try.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Pratmesh ji, you can sorry, Aditya, you can ask the question. Okay. Next question is from the line of Mr. Rohit from Vijit Growth Fund. You can unmute and ask the question.
Okay, ga.
Yes, hi. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, Rohit, you are audible.
Yes, thank you for giving me the opportunity and congratulations to the MSAFE team for giving such strong results. My question is related to the aluminum foamworks. I believe in the last con call you mentioned that we are planning to start production by the end of June. And now I can see in the presentation that we have revised the timelines and the current timelines are December 2026. So
Yes,
is
sir.
there any delay?
There is a little bit delay because of delivery of machines. So we just got 4 machines. It's under operations, and still 5 machines are yet to come. Because of some of the issues, they couldn't deliver the machine, so that's why it's got delayed. But I will assure you, most probably we'll do that in time. And anyhow, in September, Boma September, we will have one mock-up formwork structure there, which is all manufactured. But we are not in a position to take the order. We are taking for that right away. Once we have our facility, then we will start giving the order book. People are marketing. It will take time.
Okay. Because we were targeting around 30 to 40 crores of business in this year. So
Still, we
I'm
are
not sure. Yes.
still I'm targeting the same. Because what I want, till December, my team, I have appointed the formwork head also, which I haven't mentioned yet in this uh, basically presentation. They are doing their marketing job. Once the machines are in my factory is ready, they will start the production. Still, I'm targeting the same. my targets are same. Even I do have to some trading also with lower margins. Even I'm ready to do that. If I
Okay. And my next question would be if you could provide any outlook for the EBITDA margin for the whole year, because as Formworks comes in, I believe the margins will be slightly lower in that segment. So
Sir,
any guidance on the full year EBITDA margins?
yeah, I'm trying. So in the initially run, I can't commit the exactly margins on the formwork part. Because in the initial starting when there are a lot of trials and lot of things, it may bring down to my EBITDA margins. But in long run, this aluminum the way I look at the balance sheets of other as well, the margins are not less. It's more or less similar to the aluminum for scaffolding. Only the thing is that this formwork business involves a lot of money. Lot of capital is required to do this business. Where scaffolding having the less less money is required. But in the initial run, yeah, definitely that kind of part we have to see. But still, we want to maintain our the same kind of margins, optimizing our some of the economy of the scale as well as the majorly better utilization of our working capital and so we are trying to do that as we did it in this quarter also. We want to maintain the same similar kind of thing in the future also.
Okay. Just one last question. According to you, what could be the revenue split this year in H1 versus H2?
H1 versus H2. Definitely our rental business will grow. MS business will be more going to as in the quarter one also it's 7 times is growing by 7 times. But the rental similar kind of growth I'm looking at the in MS business rental specifically because it's more we are on the rental platform and I'm also expecting little bit growth in the ladder business also. Formwork business obviously is not going to start in the H1. Then in the third quarter, actual formwork will start. Although we have given the things as a December, but we will try to expedite that thing. It's more aluminum is even the focus, but definitely the MS will also increase, sir. So ratio mix, if you say, there might be some bigger chunk is on the MS part, and aluminum part is having the as compared to that little lower chunk. But still, currently, though we are maintaining aluminum on our front, and maybe in the next one quarter also, aluminum will also contribute the same. Because in rental business, the EBITDA margin for both the MS or aluminum are same.
No. So my question was, whatever amount you do in FY27, how much of that percentage is expected to be completed in H2 versus H1? It will be 60/40 or it will be 70/30? That is what I'm trying to understand.
Currently, so hardly 4-5% more in uh, your MS scaffold business. Increase of 4-5%.
Okay. I got my answer. Thank you so much and all the very best.
Okay. Next question is from the line of Mr. Ajit Sethi. Sir, you can unmute and ask the question. Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. Currently, rental business is contributing around 46% of revenue as our new capacity coming online. So, how should we see the mix changing forward in the coming year?
That between the sales and rental, sir?
Yeah, for rental business, it's now contributing 46%. Should we expect to move forward to 50% or 55% in the coming year for rental business, the
There are
revenue
two
mix?
things, scaffolding and MS scaffolding and the rental business of both or the same. If you are looking at the maybe how mixed difference between sale and rental,
Okay, so let me put in another. Should we expect the rental business to grow faster than the sale of the product business in the coming year?
yes, definitely, because sale is having the bigger market. Say you सुदर्शन जी जरा आप एक स्लाइड दिखाना वो जो वो हाँ यहाँ से दिखा सकती है वहां से दिखा सुदर्शन जी एक स्लाइड दिखाना हाँ so you can see here also rental model is having bigger picture than the sales model and even the market size is more bigger than in rental than sales. So I'm also expecting to catch the same and more over for me rental business is this company is more focused on rental business.
Okay, great. So as we are more focusing on rental business and we are expecting to increase our contribution from rental business, so do we expect the margin should increase from this level, or should we sustain this current margin, what we are doing?
No, sir. Margin is not going to increase because there is a lot of pressure. We have to do balancing how we are going to do that. Because sale is also having some pressure. Fact we are constrained in production, so we are doing both. And we can't do in a one go one period of 1 month or 2 months time to increase this achieve the bigger rental. Definitely rental will increase, but hardly if say 1 or 2% of the rental increase, then how the margins are going to react to that is not so big. So I'm looking at the similar kind of margins.
Okay. And so what is the amount of capex we are spending for this aluminum scaffolding capacity?
No, aluminum scaffolding. Just give me a
Yeah.
moment. Yeah, sir, aluminum scaffolding in this quarter we did it around 3.443 crores.
No, sir. What is the capex we are spending for the new capacity, which will
New
be coming online in May?
First of the factory land is going to be there and the machinery approximately 1 crore rupees more machinery is going to be required. Some of the robots and some few other machines are required. So 1 crore is plant you can say the plant and the other is the formwork and the land part is going to be it definitely is going to be big. Factory is going to be big amount. But factory, splitting a factory in a various vertical, right now it's tough. How much space they are going to take is going to be tough. So we are just focusing to build the factory, and factory will we have the separate space there. But which one is occupying which how much space is going to be little bit. Once we have the factory, then we will do it. But definitely for having the asset, the scaffolding assets, we will invest around 3 or 4 crore more in this next quarter.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Next question is from the line of Mr. Anshul Sagar. Anshul, you can unmute yourself and ask the question.
Sorry. You have a large competitor in both these spaces. आप जरा बता सकते हैं कि हमारी क्या competitive advantage है उनके अगेंस्ट, और हम क्या अलग करते हैं जो वो लोग नहीं कर पाएंगे, या जिसकी वजह से हम मार्केट शेयर ले सकते हैं?
सर मार्केट शेयर में ये हमारी जो कम्पिटेटिव एज है, दैट इज द वन इज दी वी आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, वी टेकिंग एन ऑर्डर. When I started this company, even taking a 50 lakh rupees order is tough for me. But now I can take 5 crore rupees order. That's not an issue. So what one competitive advantage is that my competitors can't take bigger order.
नहीं
Now,
नहीं, एक बहुत बड़ा कंपेटिटर है ना सर, वो तो वो तो ये सब ऑर्डर ले ही सकता है।
सर
आपको उन्हीं।
रेंटल में नहीं है ना वो, सर
हाँ जी।
रेंटल में नहीं है ना।
रेंटल में भी वो, अच्छा खुद नहीं है आप कह रहे हैं?
खुद नहीं है ना रेंटल में सर।
हाँ
सर
जी।
जो करता है वो रेंटल में नहीं है, जो रेंटल में है वो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग नहीं करता। अब मेरे पास पीएसयूज के बड़े, इवन ऑर्डर बुक में 1 करोड़ प्लस के भी ऑर्डर्स आ रहे हैं। तो आज मैं आई कैन एंटरटेन वेरी मच इजली। फिर मोर ओवर आई एम फुल्ली स्प्रेड ऑल ओवर इंडिया, 21 वेयर हाउसेज. My manufacturing capacity, you can, so I'm making a delivery within 24 hours, wherever you are in India. So this all gives up, which other people doesn't have. Some of the local players are there. So it is more of aluminum and MS scaffolding both are under one basket. Even formwork, ladders, everyone is under one umbrella with the organized player, professionally driven company.
जी। और अपना जो हम ये बनाते हैं स्कैफोल्डिंग, उसकी ट्यूब भी हम खुद ही बनाते हैं?
ट्यूब नहीं बनाते सर, एक्सट्रूजन हम नहीं बनाते। एक्सट्रूजन अभी हम लेते हैं।
हम बाहर से लेते हैं, तो उसमें कुछ खर्चा ज्यादा होता है, मतलब हमारे कॉस्ट एडवांटेज उसकी वजह से कम हो जाता
सर डेफिनेटली सर, अगर हम खुद बनाएंगे तो उसका भी एक मार्जिन, जो ट्यूबिंग का भी एक मार्जिन होगा, वो हमें मिलेगा। तो माय नेक्स्ट प्लान इज टू मेक एक्सट्रूजन प्लांट आल्सो, once we have the fully set up of the formwork, because everything needs money, bigger money.
है। जी जी। और अपना डिमांड पैटर्न कैसा है इंडस्ट्री में, हमारा फोमवर्क का भी, और ये
सर अभी तक मैं 10% का भी प्लेयर नहीं हूँ अपनी इंडस्ट्री में, स्कैफोल्डिंग इंडस्ट्री में। You can see that graph also. MS haven't touched the 10%. Even the only the organized player in the market, and the formwork also. We are just starting, and formwork market is very big. So here you can see that in 2024 और ये क्या है, एल्यूमिनियम का आइएगा सर, एक बार एल्यूमिनियम का आइएगा। हाँ एल्यूमिनियम का, हाँ एल्यूमिनियम का सर, ये जैसे 4,600
1,300 करोड़ का अभी मार्केट है, जो कि 2,400 करोड़ के करीब हो जाएगा
हाँ
2030 में। और एक चीज और बताइए सर कि अपना
10% भी।
अपना अभी फोमवर्क का काम तो शुरू हुआ नहीं है ना?
सर मशीनें 4 आ गई हैं जो मेजर मशीन्स हैं, छोटी मशीनें रह गई हैं, वो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली सितंबर में हम मॉकअप कर लेंगे। और
हाँ
उसके
जी।
बाद उसके
और
बाद
जब
हम,
जब हमारा पूरा प्रोडक्शन शुरू हो जाएगा फोमवर्क का, तो हमारी सेल में फोमवर्क का कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा?
सर स्टिल वी आर टारगेटिंग 30 to 40 करोड़ इस साल में, बट
नहीं 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 नहीं, वो तो इस साल में मैं कह रहा हूँ, अगर अगले साल में हमारा पूरा प्रोडक्शन होता है फोमवर्क कैपेसिटी का, तो हमारे रेवेन्यू का कितना परसेंटेज होगा फोमवर्क?
सर रेवेन्यू का परसेंटेज फॉर्मवर्क की इंडस्ट्री में देंगे तो एल्यूमिनियम स्कैफोल्डिंग में नंबर 1 पे हमें।
नहीं
और
नहीं 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 नहीं, आप समझे नहीं सर।
I'm
मैं
just
कह
giving
रहा
you.
हूँ, एक मिनट रुकिए ना। मैं कह रहा हूँ कि अगर आपका नेक्स्ट ईयर रेवेन्यू 100 रुपया है, तो 100 रुपये में से फोमवर्क का कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना होगा? अगर आपकी सेल 100 रुपया है, तो 100 रुपये में फॉर्मवर्क का कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना होगा अगले साल FY28?
वही बता रहा हूँ। मेरा 100 करोड़ की सबसे बड़ी कंपनी स्कैफोल्डिंग बनाता हूँ मान लीजिए, तो उसकी तो 2-2 हजार करोड़ की कंपनियां हैं। तो मेरे को भी वो जो पाई है, अगर मेरे को वो ये, तो मेरी पाई क्या हो सकता है कि इतनी
नहीं नहीं, आप फिर दूसरी तरफ जा रहे हैं सर। मैं सवाल ही कुछ और कर रहा हूँ, आप जवाब कुछ और दे रहे हैं सर।
बताइए।
मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, अगर हमारी आपकी कंपनी की सेल अगले साल में 500 करोड़ की है अज्यूमिंग, ठीक है,
हाँ,
उसमें से फॉर्मवर्क का कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा? मतलब 500 करोड़ मैं ऐसे ही नंबर ले रहा हूँ कुछ भी। अ,
ले।
अ, उसमें
हाँ,
फॉर्मवर्क कितना होगा
सब अब मेरा होमवर्क मेरे ख्याल से तो 25% के करीब होगा।
अगले साल पूरे साल में, है ना?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
और फॉर्मवर्क, अगर आप फॉर्मवर्क जो सेल करते हैं उसका अगर मार्जिन देखें वर्सेस जो हम स्कैफोल्डिंग सेल करते हैं, तो फॉर्मवर्क का मार्जिन ज्यादा है स्कैफोल्डिंग से या कम है?
सर, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, अभी अभी हमने किया नहीं है, तो जगह जो मेरे कंपटीटर्स की मैंने बैलेंस शीट्स देखी है, उसमें तो वो 20% बीटा दिखा रहे हैं आराम से। और वो रेंटल करते नहीं है। मैं हमारा मेन फोर्टे है रेंटल करना। और अगर मैं सेल भी कर रहा हूँ तो इवन आई कैन थिंक ऑफ सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ बीटा।
20% का इन स्कैफोल्डिंग ना?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
और फॉर्मवर्क में कितना हो सकता है?
नहीं नहीं, फॉर्मवर्क का ही बात कह रहा हूँ, मैं फॉर्मवर्क का ही कह रहा हूँ।
और
20%।
स्कैफोल्डिंग में कितना होएगा अगर आप सारा सेल करेंगे तो?
स्कैफोल्डिंग में अभी तो अबीटा, मेरा एल्यूमिनियम स्कैफोल्डिंग का बीटा 37 है। तो पर मेरा मेरा मेजर फोकस फॉर्मवर्क में भी रेंटल है, स्कैफोल्डिंग में भी रेंटल है।
अच्छा अच्छा, तो फिर आपकी बैलेंस शीट में तो ये एज एसेट्स दिखेंगे ना, तो आपकी बैलेंस शीट इन्फ्लेट हो जाएगी, करेक्ट?
सर रेवेन्यू में तो उसकी अबीटा भी तो 48% आती है सर।
वो मैं समझ गया, लेकिन ये जो है आपको बैलेंस शीट में लेने पड़ेंगे ना सारे।
क्यों होगा सर, वो बैलेंस शीट में तो लेना ही पड़ेगा। रियल में एसेट होंगे सर। और मेजरली एल्यूमिनियम में हमेशा ये फायदा है और इवन आयरन में भी, कि ये 50 to 70% डिस्पोजेबल वैल्यू एनी टाइम होती है इसकी। इवन भंगार में आप ये भेज सकते हैं माल।
ठीक है, ठीक है सर, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, ओके।
Okay. Next question is from the line of Mr. Vishal Kumar, individual investor.
Hello, good evening. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes. सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि हमने 150 करोड़ का टारगेट लिया है इस साल के लिए, और आप बोल रहे थे कि 170 करोड़ तक भी जा सकता है। तो ये जो 20 करोड़ का आपने एक गैप रखा हुआ है, ये किस बिजनेस से आपको लग रहा है कि कंप्लीट होगा? किस बिजनेस के अच्छा करने से आप 170 करोड़ तक टच कर पाए?
Sir, it's not single business. It's basically contribution from all the business.
सर
So,
सर तो ये
not little bit, say, little bit increase in aluminum rental, little bit increase in scaffolding business, MS scaffolding business, ladder business, even the formwork business. So even if they small contributors are, they can contribute. I'm not saying कि just 20 crores extra business from the aluminum scaffolding or 20 crore from the MS. So ये I can't predict right away कि which business is going to do what kind of thing.
सर, मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ कि जो हमारा डिले हुआ है होमवर्क वाले बिजनेस के स्टार्ट करने में, तो उसका कितना इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा? जो दो दो तीन महीने का डिले हुआ है, उससे भी तो सर आपको इम्पैक्ट हुआ होगा। उसको आप कवर अप
उससे
करेंगे? आपका क्या प्लान है?
उसको हमारे अदर प्रोडक्ट से कवर करेंगे सर। That's why I'm saying 150 करोड़ तो इंटैक्ट है। 150 करोड़ में मेरे को कोई इशू नहीं नजर आता। 175 विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट।
सर सो 150 में आपका 30-40 करोड़ होमवर्क का रहेगा, करेक्ट सर?
सॉरी सर।
150 में 30 से 40 करोड़ होमवर्क का रहेगा।
यस, यस सर।
ओके सर, अगर 150 में से 30-40 होमवर्क का रह गया तब तो अगर हम ईयर ऑन ईयर ग्रोथ देखें बाकी बिजनेस की, तो वो तो बहुत कम बच रही है। 110 टू 120 आ रही है। तो आप क्या बोल रहे हो कि बाकी दो सेगमेंट हमारे इतने ग्रो नहीं करेंगे? हमारी तो अच्छी ग्रोथ है विदाउट होमवर्क फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में।
मैंने नहीं कहा वो इतने ही ग्रो करेंगे सर। तभी दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग अ करेज टू टेल यू अबाउट 175।
हाँ सर, इसका मतलब आप बहुत कंजर्वेटिव ग्रोथ ले रहे
जो
हैं
एक्स्ट्रा
आपका।
कवरेज यहीं से आएगी सर, जो एक्स्ट्रा कवरेज आएगी वो यहीं से आएगी। ये सर लास्ट ईयर भी मैंने जो किया है, वो अगर 103 किया है तो 103 का 125 भी करूंगा तो 20% जंप आता है। और
सर
30 25 से 30 करोड़ का करूंगा फॉर्म वर्क में तो वो आता है। और जो 75 की तरफ मैं ये थोड़ी कह रहा हूँ सर कि वो जो 50 से 75 करूंगा तो वो 25 करोड़ कहीं ना कहीं से तो यही वही करे जाएगा कि इनको इंक्रीज करने के लिए। वो फॉर्म वर्क से मैं ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा एकदम में। पर वो फॉर्म वर्क भी हो सकता है कि मैं 30 करोड़ का करके 35 करूं। पर मेरे को उम्मीद इन्हीं इन्हीं जो एग्जिस्टिंग वर्टिकल से ही है सर।
सर सर, ये जो ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस है हमारा कैप होल्डिंग वाला, इसकी
हाँ जी
ग्रोथ ऐसा चांसेस है कि ज्यादा मिल जाए हमें, 30% से ज्यादा मिल जाए, और हम जो आप 170 बोल रहे हैं वो टारगेट भी हमें छोटा लगे?
सर, इसकी ग्रोथ के चांसेस सर, सर चांस की बात बिल्कुल आपकी ठीक है, पर उसके लिए एक सर पहले एक माइलस्टोन मेरा अचीव करने का होता है। वो माइलस्टोन अचीव किया फिर उसके लिए ऊपर काम करना सर। एकदम मैं इसको तो कहूंगा कि 175 करोड़ एल्यूमिनियम स्कैफोल्डिंग करूंगा 100 से 175, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है सर। That's why we're putting up homework in between.
ओके सर, ओके, थैंक यू एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। कंग्रेचुलेशन फॉर गुड रिजल्ट।
Okay. Next question is from the line of Mr. Aditya Khaitan. Sir, you can unmute and ask the question.
ये क्या बंद हो गया इसी? ये बोल रहा है।
Aditya, you can ask the question.
स्विंग ऑफ कर दो, स्विंग ऑफ।
Okay. Next question is from the line of Nishita. You can ask the question.
यस, थैंक यू फॉर द फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन। सर मुझे बस ये जानना था कि आपने बोला कि हम 20% एबिटा मार्जिन कर सकते हैं फोम वर्क बिजनेस में। तो और आपने ये भी मेंशन किया कि इनिशियली फोम वर्क बिजनेस का मार्जिन कम रहेगा। तो
आगे सही नहीं क्या?
नहीं
आगे म्यूट कर
I think, Nishita, can you please repeat your question again?
yes, I'll repeat my question. I'm sorry, my line got cut. तो मैं ये पूछ रही थी कि फोम वर्क में हमने बोला है कि हमारा मार्जिन 20% रहेगा, पर हमने ये भी बोला है कि इनिशियली हम कम मार्जिन करेंगे। तो FY27 में जो हमको 30-40 करोड़ रेवेन्यू मिल रहा है उसका मार्जिन कितना रहेगा आसपास, मतलब 10-15% हो सकता है कि उससे भी कम होगा?
It's really tough to say. I might able to achieve 20 or might be basically my thrust is to do more good, but there are unforeseen things. It's a new product for us. It's a new thing for us, a new market. So that's why I'm saying that it might increase in the first year or total 1 year of span, and then we will be normalized. Then we are in a better position to tell you कि कितना हम इसमें मार्जिन करेंगे।
Okay, understood. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, I think we are done with the questions. Okay, sir. Pradeep sir, if you want to give any concluding remarks, you can give.
Thank you everybody for being with us on for this review this earning call, and my thing is that trust us, We are definitely we will achieve the numbers. We have till date we have achieved overachieved the things, and we will do our best. That's the. I want to wish everybody good luck and even to my company also.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody, for joining the call. Thank you, management. Thank you, everyone.
You.